And do you see yourself growing into that next step with like care management?
I do, 100%. I mean, I look at this thing in 4 stages. I think the daycare down the road 10 years from now is like a hub of senior care. You know, like everything they would need is right there. PCP,
Exactly.
case management, the whole thing. But the reality of it is like we got to show the world what like what families want first. Because all these insurance companies, Humana, all this stuff, all they know is what a Medicaid model looks like.
But I think there's plenty of concierge services coming around with the NPs and other providers that could participate, right? In a way.
Oh no, 100%. Like our next center, we're working. My good buddy, he owns I forget what they're called, but they put like a PT and OT inside of an assisted living facility, right? And maybe you guys have this out in where you live, John, but basically they dedicate a room to a therapy room. The ALF doesn't do anything about it other than just like, hey, here you go. And so we're doing the exact same thing with our second location. So we'll be able to do all of our all that PT and OT right there in house.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.